So the common reasons to think about for data governance is, inability to access, use, or understand the data to answer your questions, maybe slow responses or lack of adoption of self-service reporting, lack of trust. We talked about that briefly. Lack of consistency or repeatability information. Maybe there's a need for policy enforcement. You have either auditor or regulatory or actual kind of real failure concerns around privacy or security, lineage sharing and data retention types of things. Maybe you just have an audit or a mandate requiring that you do this, and that can be helpful to understand. If the outcome of this is that we're able to tell the auditor that we did it, it's going to be a very different initiative than if you're trying to do something that's really promoting broad data literacy or whatever, and you're more likely to get the buy-in, by focusing your energy on those things that satisfy that auditor. Or maybe you're implementing a new system, a new reporting tool, a new ERP, a new data system of some kind, and you want to make sure that you're doing that with good governance and decision making, as well as capturing and cataloging information that's created. So capture many of those reasons as you can. It's very helpful for putting together the plan, and make sure that, again, the dog is wagging the tail and not the tail is wagging the dog, so that those outcomes are what drives what your data governance activities and focus and priorities are. I always like to define the overall scope here of a project as, data intelligence includes all the processes and content designed to help people access, understand, connect, protect, and effectively use your organization's data across all systems. That's a very broad definition, but the point here is it's really about helping people to use your organization's data, right? And there's lots of processes and content that helps to do that. So it's another way to focus in on what goals matter to build buy-in.